The question statement is, the inner and the outer surfaces of a glass window in the winter are maintained at the two different temperatures, that is the 10 degree centigrade and the 3 degree centigrade. So the dimensions of the glass window are 2 meter into 2 meters. It means that the area of the wall, area of the glass window will be the 4 meter square, and the thickness of the window is 0.5 centimeter. The next is, if the thermal conductivity of the glass, which is given here, that is 0.78 watt per meter per degree centigrade. So you have to determine the amount of heat loss through the window in the units of kilojoule. So determine the amount of heat loss in kilojoule through the glass window over the period of 5 hours. So the time is also given in this question statement, that you have to determine the heat loss during this time interval of 5 hours. What would be your answer if the glass were 0.5 centimeter thick? This is all about the question statement. Let's have a look on the dimensions of the glass window. So this is the glass window, and this is the side view of the glass window, and the one side of the glass window temperature is maintained at 10 degrees centigrade, while the other side of the glass window has a temperature of 3 degrees centigrade, and the thickness of this glass window is 0.5 centimeter, and the overall area is the 2 into 2 meter square. It means that the 4 meter square is the surface area of this glass. Let's have a look on the solution. That before going into details of the solution, we'll take few assumptions. The first one is the steady operating conditions exist since the surface temperatures of the glass remain constant at the specified values. That's why the steady operating conditions exist. And the second assumption is the thermal properties of the glass are also constant. The properties which we are going to use include the thermal conductivity of the glass, which is given in the question statement, and it is represented by K, and which is equivalent to 0.78 watt per meter per degree centigrade, and this is the thermal conductivity of the glass window mentioned in the question statement. In the analysis, we have seen that the process is steady state, and the rate of heat transfer through the glass is by the conduction process. The rate of heat transfer through the window by the conduction process is given by this formula, that the rate of heat transfer by the conduction process is equivalent to the product of thermal conductivity and the surface area multiplied by the temperature difference divided by the thickness of the glass window. Let's try to put the values in this formula. That the rate of heat transfer through the glass window by the conduction is given by this formula, and we'll try to put the values. That this 0.78 watt per meter per degree centigrade is the thermal conductivity, which is mentioned in the question statement, and 2 by 2 meter square is the surface area, which is also given in the question statement, and 10 minus 3 degrees centigrade is the temperature difference, and 10 is the one side of the wall temperature, and 3 is the other side of the wall temperature. So we'll take the difference, we'll have which is given in the question statement, and in the question statement is the thickness of the glass window is given in 0.5 centimeter, and we have to convert it into meters. So when we convert the 0.5 centimeter into meters, it will be equivalent to 0.005 meters, and after simplifying that, we will have the answer is 4368 watt. That is the rate of heat transfer, right? If we divide this value with 1000, that will become 4.368 kilowatt, and this 4.368 kilowatt can also be represented as kilojoules per second, and this is the answer this is the answer of the first question that has been asked in the question statement. What is the rate of heat transfer? What is the rate of heat loss through the window? This is the value, or this is the answer, that is 4.368 kilojoule per second. And the second thing that is being asked in the question statement is you have to determine the rate of heat loss during the period of 5 hours, right? So it is given in the hours, you have to convert it into the seconds, because in this answer the unit second is mentioned, so you have to convert hours into seconds. So in order to determine the rate of heat loss during the specific time period, what you have to do is you have to multiply the rate of heat transfer multiply by the time duration under which the conduction took place. So this is the answer, that is 4.368 kilojoules per second, and which is being determined in the previous part, and you have to multiply it with the seconds and you have to multiply it with the hours, like 5 multiplied by 3600, and the 5 hours can be converted into seconds by multiplying it with the 3600. So 1 hour has 3600, and if we multiply it with the 5, so 5 multiplied by 3600, that the whole answer will be in the seconds. So if you simplify this expression, you will get the value of 78,626 kilojoule. This is the amount of heat which is being lost through the window during the period of 5 hours. If the thickness of the glass is doubled to 1 centimeter, then the amount of heat transfer will go down by half, that is 39,310 kilojoules.